Ciao from Polizzi Generosa in the province of Palermo. We're going to walk around this beautiful medieval town, show you some of the sights, the scenery, and we're also going to have a cooking demo making stuffed zucchini flour with a ricotta, fresh cannoli from scratch, and of course pasta, caponata, and so much more. So come with me. We're about 2,000 meters up, and look at this valley. Giorno. About 3,000 people live here in Polizzi Generosa, so it's a significant little town in the Madonie mountains. The air is definitely much fresher than down below. I'm giving you this perspective because we're going to try and come back here for the festival later this afternoon. Today's September 19th and it is the final day of San Gondolfo. The Mother Church dedicated to Maria Assunta. Construction began in the 1200s. And here is San Gondolfo, the patron saint of Polizzi Generosa. Look at these beautiful Sicilian men. Buongiorno. They're getting ready for the festival tonight. I tell you, I couldn't have timed this visit better. Buono. Almond. Candied almond.
Di questo ne abbiamo fatto 1 chilometro e 4 metri, il torrone più lungo del mondo.
Wow, a kilometer long.
2019.
Little flavor of the local life. Buongiorno.
Bella.
Tu come che ti chiama?
Io mi chiamo Santina.
Santina. Posso?
Prego, come va? Very nice.
Beautiful. These are the local baked goods, and we're going to try a sfoglio. This is the sfoglia, typical to this area, with cinnamon and chocolate. Poi?
Cannella, cioccolato, zucchero, uova.
Eggs and sugar.
Sì. La zucca.
Zucca?
Buona, sì.
Zucca.
La conserva di zucca, sì. Tipo una marmellata di zucca. Sì.
Jam. Squash jam. Interesting. Grazie, arrivederci.
Bye bye.
Ciao.
Luca Gondolfo, and he lives in Australia and came back just for the festival. Look at her, she's so beautiful. There's evidence, of course, that the original inhabitants of Sicily lived here, but also the Greeks came here. This was a Arab stronghold. Very rich in all types of cheese and hazelnuts. Buongiorno.
Qua è una bella foto.
Bellissimo. These are typical Madonie mountain sausages and meats, and look at this cheese shaped like Sicilia, ricotta salata, salami.
Pubblicità, capito?
Salami piccante. This area is also well known for its beans, fagioli. You can make pastas and soups. Giorno. Ancient medieval streets. This area is very rich in agroturismo, a lot of agriculture. I just stopped by here because she looks so beautiful and said, oh, you can come in. You can take a photo. Che anno?
Ah, tanti anni, tanti.
Quanto?
50, no, qualche 70, tipo mese 70, perché 70 anni fa.
70 years ago, she bought this. She said it's already been here for centuries. Look at that. Tu come ti chiama?
Io mi chiamo Gandolfa.
Gandolfa, come padrone.
Sì.
Her name is Gandolfa.
Gandolfa.
Like the patron saint of Polizzi Generosa. A lot of people here are named Gandolfo or Gandolfa. Grazie mille.
Mio marito Gandolfo.
Gandolfo and Gandolfa. Bravo. E
Francesca.
Saluta tutti. Scusa?
Questo paese le piace?
Molto. A me piace, sì. Bellissima Polizzi Generosa, veramente.
L'immagine di San Gandolfo è bella, l'immagine di San Gandolfo.
The image of San Gandolfo, sì, è vero. By the way, did you know Polizzi Generosa? What is Generosa? Generous. The people of Polizzi Generosa are known for their generosity. And look at this view of the valley of the river Himera. Himera, of course, is the site of a very important battle between the Romans and the Carthaginians. And in Termini Imeresi, there's the famous temple dedicated to victory. These side streets are just beautiful. This town is so perfectly situated by the Madonie Mountains, surrounded by it everywhere you look. And this is the house of Domenico Dolce. Yes, Dolce from Dolce Gabbana. He invests a lot into the town. And actually, he started a foundation, Polizzi Generosa. Every year there's a Dolce Gabbana event. This year was in Syracuse. Sharon Stone was here, Drew Barrymore, Mariah Carey, and so many other movie stars. Not only Dolce Gabbana, but many other seamstresses came from Polizzi Generosa. In fact, this area is known for this type of work. He's calling the sheep. Oh, they're waking up.
They're sleeping, you know. Now they're going there.
That's his farm. That's where he gets all the fruits and vegetables for lunch. Oh, look at these sheep.
Now I see something to...
There they go. And here are the artichokes. Not ready yet.
These are artichokes?
They still complain because they want something better, you know. That's what they want.
Mais?
No, that's peas, piselli,
Peas.
poi avena. Questo è veccia, that's special for them. No, you, fuori, that's not for you.
Very friendly.
They get their little treat now. He's picking the vegetables for our lunch. Perfect.
The size of those pepper plants.
I know, they're big.
That's very, very hot. Piccante.
Oh, my kind.
Attenzione alle pecore. Questo è molto esplosivo.
Explosive hot pepper.
Yeah, that's a swell.
Okay.
This one is mild one.
Mild, okay.
Mild.
That's
This
a
is
sweet.
And this is paprika, you know?
Yeah.
Which is
Io
making
sono
paprika.
ungherese.
Questo è per la paprika. I do
Paprika.
that in winter. I do then salami and
Paprika.
capocollo.
Oh, I think it's beautiful.
What a beautiful head of lettuce. Oh, he's a showman, all right. Let's see what we have for the aperitivo.
This is homemade pancetta,
Homemade pancetta.
black olives,
Because you have to work now.
green olives. Yeah, from this here. No?
Now we're gonna stuff the zucchini flowers.
Ricotta, egg, some timo. Come si dice timo in americano?
Thyme.
Thyme. I have thyme. And little bit of pepper, little bit oil, and a touch of lemon. Put a spoon of ricotta inside, and then with your finger you just push a little bit down and close it up like this, and you put it here. Ricotta, a little bit more, put it inside, and then you push it down, a little bit more, and then you push a little bit, you close it. Here. Carta che poi mi serve. Le galline not here, but we have galline as well.
Generally they give the
Lica così,
questo non lo sapevo che guarda.
per non si bruciare. E le dà una doratina. Perfetto.
Questo metti al
Don't forget, 7-10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes. If you forget them, okay, we...
Luigi's bruschetta.
Anchovies, sun-dried tomato, almonds, black olives, oregano.
Oregano.
Then we put some oil from crasto. It's a special kind of olives. No, some oil. A little bit more. Little bit more.
Alfred says olive
And
oil.
more. And more.
Alfred says olive oil makes everything taste better.
Yeah. Okay, now we mix it. Okay. Caponata, that's the start of caponata. We have some onions, celery, okay, green olives, peppers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients and eggplant. And we mix it together.
Taste some more, you can take it from here.
Just a moment.
Eggplant is already fried with.
We mix it a little bit. Now we need some tomato sauce, which we have to do it first. Yeah. Tomato and onions.
From your garden,
From
of
my
course.
garden, and they cooked for about 20 minutes.
So a little bit of salt, right?
Little bit of salt, yeah. Then after we pass in, and after you put it some basil, but at the moment no. Signora, I put one left here.
Hard work, huh?
Smells delicious.
Palermo.
Okay, polpetto,
Polpetta.
Polpetta.
And that's just bread and milk.
bread and milk,
And milk.
aged bread and milk.
Yeah. Then we put some mint, garlic, little bit salt, little bit pepper. Now we put some mint, just of mint.
Oh,
Because the
this
taste
mint.
is coming from mint and cheese. Otherwise we have just bread, you know? And egg. Mettiamo le uova like this. Go then.
Formaggio?
Formaggio, sì, cheese. You can put anyone if you have, grana, parmigiano, or pecorino, caciocavallo, whatever you have at home. That's easy to do it, just bread, eggs, and formaggio.
It's an old meal.
Yeah, from many years ago. You see?
Spettolini.
No, no, modifica così, modifica, fa intorno. Come mescoli, no? Quello che lei è che non...
By the way, this is sunflower oil that he's using.
Like this, no?
Oh, now he put it in the sauce.
In a sauce. With onions, but now it... And basil, now we do basil inside. That's the caponata, now we put... we still need vinegar and sugar for the caponata.
Agrodolce.
Agrodolce.
Vinegar and sugar.
Full sugar, cucchiaio di zucchero.
A spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. The medicine go down. The medicine go down. And there's your agrodolce.
And we need a vinegar. Vinegar normally...
Okay, so he now just put the vinegar in there.
Every place in Sicily has swordfish.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fresh tagliatelle. I've done it before because he has to stay, as you say, quiet for about 1 hour. And it rest. Quiet. And this is for cannoli. We make cannoli now. E cominciamo con la pasta. You do like this, no? Yeah, this one. We
Tagliatelle.
do tagliatelle fatte a mano.
Ingrediente?
Questo è 600 grammi di farina, 4 uova, mezzo cucchiaio d'olio. That's it. Farina di grano duro rimacinato.
Flour.
Flour di grano duro.
E sale.
No. Perché sennò non entra. Perfetto.
My first video of you, me, in Sicily was making pasta, and here we are 250 videos later, and I'm still making pasta.
You have to insist. Or you do with the finger like this, you know, at the beginning.
And just take it before it was closing.
Here, Mom, we gotta get in there.
That's an easy way of doing it.
Yeah. See, and then you do
I
like
think there's
this.
somebody outside who doesn't want to work anymore.
Or you use the knife, right?
Yeah, the knife or with the machines. No, it's quicker. We can go.
This is what I like to see.
Oh, you have been.
Everyone is working.
No,
This is I'm preparing.
Did you always like to cook?
Yeah. I love cooking.
All hands on deck.
The KitchenAid is 1133.
Piccolo, molto più piccolo. Sì, così, guarda.
con due
Like
lati
this.
tagliati.
And now, see. And then you have to use this pasta again. Okay, you can roll it, you can close. But be careful, just, you know. Just oil.
Ancora?
You want to watch cookie looky or cannolo looky guarda. I think it's working. Maybe.
Dopo 7 minuti.
Dopo 7 minuti questo è il risultato. Ora tecchiamo questo off the way, like this.
Oh, look at that. Few more.
Questa.
Bellissimo. And here's the zucchinis. And here's the caponata and the polpette. This property is literally located among paradise. Can you just imagine getting your fruits and vegetables fresh from the garden and then staying here or eating here? He has a B&B as well. And he's had this property for 25 years, but he's been cooking and doing this type of work for 40 years. Allora, pasta's ready.
Fettuccine. Nero sauce.
You put olive oil first,
Ciao ciao.
and then the polpette,
elsewhere.
Eccolo qua.
Can you smell the tomato sauce?
Oh, I can certainly smell the tomato sauce.
Can you smell too?
Don't you guys wish you were here with us? Luigi! Ricotta salata.
We go to the next one.
Yum. Buon appetito.
Ma non ha
Luigi is now making us some sausage. Come?
Buona! Salsiccia alla pizzaiola. Salsiccia with sun-dried tomato, spinach, and caciocavallo cheese.
Now it's time to stuff the ricotta.
Ricotta. Like this, you know. Tagliare. E voilà.
The silent moment.
Don't film.
È un peccato buttarli poi, capito? Perché
See?
Luigi wants some
Oh, this is Esther.
And this is the other Esther.
This is one of our guides up here. And we met because she reached out to me and said, hey, you're Esther and you're Sicily. Are you Hungarian by any chance? Oh, and my last name is Vaida. Your last name?
It's Varga. So?
Vaida, Varga. The two Esthers. And ever since then, we've been good friends too. What makes Polizzi Generosa so special?
Already the name, no? Just when you call Generosa means generous. That was called by Frederick II already because of the hospitality of the locals. And the beautiful position that you can see. Just kind of belvedere of the Madonie Mountains. The position, 900 meters above the sea level, called it the little jewel, no, of the Madonie Mountains. So there is that amazing view down to the valley of the river of Himera, and on the other side you can see the campfields. So this is a strategical point, and an ancient city already inhabited by the Greeks before Christ in the 4th century. So really one of the oldest towns in this territory, in the Madonie Mountains.
This is the inside of his restaurant. Look what I got. Tomato, chilies, and the first artichoke of the season in this paradise.
Paprika.
Paprika.
Quelli dolci per fare poi il salame, il...
This is, he makes the salami. Buono. Walking on these ancient streets, I'm always thinking, how many people, what stories, what battles, what victories. If only these buildings and these roads could speak, right? This little place is adorable.
Well, I'm sure it has a great view out the back.
Lots of houses for sale here. We're the only ones here. Everyone else is doing the siesta. Aqueducts dating back to the Roman times. Look at the bells for the animals. And these are some of the baskets they use to collect all types of items, including right now puccini mushrooms. Here's the emblem of Polizzi Generosa, the eagle representing Frederick II, nobility, the roses given to him by the people. Your grandmother from Polizzi Generosa,
Sì,
she was a seamstress.
she was. Francesca Sciamenti.
And what was it like visiting the city with your family?
It was amazing. It was everything I had hoped it'd be and more.
Tell me, for those people who are considering visiting their ancestral hometown, just how moving and important it is.
One of the happiest experiences of my life, something that I've anticipated and hoped for so long, we've talked about. I can't help but to say, if you can bring your family with you, not just by yourself, but if you can bring other family members, it makes such a difference. I reflected back 60, 70 years ago when my cousins and my sister and brother and I would come together with our parents and be around my grandmother's dining table. And that was such a fraternal, beautiful thing that we didn't realize at the time. Now, because of this opportunity, we're coming back together, and now we no longer have the parents, we no longer have the grandparents, we no longer have the sisters and brothers. But what we do have is nieces and nephews now, that we have a new fraternity, we have a new grouping, we have a new common bond. And the family of 60 or 70 years ago is now the family of today.
You can see those high mountain peaks. So they belong to the Madonie National Park, which is just on the northern coast of Sicily, after Palermo territory, so near Cefalù. Mountains, just including a big territory, just very high mountains, over 40,000 hectares, and the good 40 years ago became a protected area, national park.
Thank you for watching this video of You, Me, and Sicily. If you enjoyed it, please consider hitting the like, sharing it with a friend, and of course, we will see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Arrivederci. And as Alfred would say, San Benedica.